Good morning, everybody. Michael from Attention to Detail in Tempe. Timber's inside eating breakfast. Sorry, no intro with her. I'm going to do a couple quick videos today, try to get those posted up. It's been so hot in Arizona. It's been brutal. I haven't made a lot of videos. But this is solvent from Superior Image. It's basically like a super glue remover, okay? So this is a hail damaged car. Back window is broke. So what do? They duct tape it with black garbage bags. And I'm going to show you how amazing this solvent from Superior Image is. Just put a little bit on a paper towel. Make sure you wear gloves. This stuff will take your skin off, but it's not that strong. This is a new version. Sorry for the no label. But they came out with a new version, so I'm just going to put some on here. I'm going to just lightly rub it on just to get it wet. Let it do its thing. I already had some here. It came off so quickly that I didn't need to do much more. So I'm just going to put a little more on here just to kind of go over the top. Put my cap on so I don't want this spilling. And watch the magic here. Literally, it's just gone. This stuff works amazing on any kind of glue, any kind of residue like that. Just melts it right off. If you're window tinter, I guess they sell a lot of that to the window tint guys after they, do their prep. Just wipe this on the glass. Takes any glue residue off in just seconds. So now that the glue's off, I'll go over and I'll go over it with a cleaner, my rinseless wash, clean it up before I prep it and put my sealant on. Don't forget to subscribe. Attention to Detail in Tempe. Smash that like button. And Timber's back. Hello, girl. She's 15 now. I'm going to do a quick video on the engine. That'll be out shortly. And have a great day, everybody. Take care.